What up, peeps? Yo, it's a nice day in New York. Look how dope this view is here in New York. Real nice day in New York. And this morning, these Yeezys got restocked, the Black Pirate Yeezys. I didn't get a pair, these are my old ones. But I should be getting a pair because I got a connect at Adidas now that's gonna get me Yeezys for free, and I'm getting them free so I can give them to you guys. I'm trying to get them so I can give them away to you guys, so I'm working on it. Free Yeezys from the Dope Fresh Nation coming if you like them. But welcome to New York, peeps. We out here. That's a cool view down that street though. That's the Empire State Building, and we touch it. Ow, 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 ow. But I hope you guys are having a good day today. It's gonna be super busy for me today. I have tons of stuff to do in the office that's gonna be boring, not be able to vlog, so you're gonna probably hang out with Gina for most of the day. But if you want free Yeezys, give this video a thumbs up. I'm getting them for you guys. I'm gonna try and get a pair for my peeps here in New York, so I can give them to you personally, and we'll try and get a pair for you guys all over the world, and I'll send them to you. Working on it. But dude, it's so loud. It's how loud it is. This is what you hear all the time here in New York, especially in this area. Shut up!
This is what I'm dealing with. Fire alarm. Cats are so scared. No, I'm sorry.
Do not use elevators.
It's okay. Oh, boo-boo. He's sick in my closet. It's okay, buddy. I'm so tired.
Please leave the building immediately.
That woke me up.
Oh,
why are they knocking at the door?
Do not use elevators. Emergency.
Well, they had to come inside. Did you hear the door knock? I wasn't expecting that because they were supposed to come in a lot later today. But they woke me up and did it now. I guess they're like running early on schedule. I could hear people's dogs barking and everything. Everybody's going crazy on this floor. It's alright, buddy. How you feeling? You still sick? Oh, poor guy. He didn't sleep with me last night. It's been a really long time and I definitely need to go grocery shopping. I haven't gone in so long, and I'm gonna stock up on a little bit of food, healthy stuff, and I think I'm gonna make myself a kale salad today. Been craving it for a while. I was just gonna go recycle this cardboard box, but Nyla wants to sit in it, so I guess I'll leave it for her. What, you gonna lay in there? I made it, and I always bring like a whole bunch of bags to recycle. For some reason you can't recycle them in regular recycling, you have to like bring it to a store. It's weird, but here I am. I'm going through the exit because that's where the bag thing is. I almost forgot the card. Honestly, it feels so weird to be in here because I haven't gone grocery shopping in so long. Like, I feel lost, I don't know what to get. If you know, all I got so far was like what I plan to use to make dinner tonight, and that's it. This is all I got. It's like nothing. Well done. That was quick. I usually take a while in the grocery store. That time I was quick. Yay! I'm all done. I just got back. Look at this lazy kitty cat. She's still in the box. I guess it was good that I kept it, wasn't it, Nyla? I got you guys some water. She was like sleeping in there. You're so funny. It's gonna be like a roasted chicken, kale, and quinoa salad. The magic is happening. I'm gonna chop up the kale. I got the chicken cooking. I already marinated it. And the quinoa is cooking right now. Here it is. Does it look good? It's grilled chicken. The quinoa is underneath here with the kale and some other stuff. So I know I made this salad once before, but I can't remember if this is the same exact stuff that I put inside of it. So if you guys remember seeing this in any vlog, and you know where the vlog is, because I know you guys are amazing, and sometimes some of you are like, you know exactly which video I'm talking about. If you know which video I made this kale and quinoa salad with the chicken on it, can you like tweet it to me so I can see the video? Because I want to look at the salad and see if like I missed anything or if I did anything different. If you do know, then please tweet me at PhillyChick5. Oh my god, guys, I'm not even lying. This is so freaking good. I'm not trying to say that about like what I can make, but I love this. I haven't had it in so long and it's banging. I wish I could like give you some. Take a bite, guys. It's so freaking good. And it's healthy. Healthy and good, that's a plus. The thing that I do not like about cooking is cleaning up. Oh, this pan is so dirty. I hate that, and I forgot how long it takes to like do the whole process of getting the food, making sure you have the ingredients, cooking it, and cleaning, and blah, 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 blah. It's so annoying, but it was a very delicious meal, nevertheless. So, now I gotta clean. Hello. I was just going to check up on him and he came out. Good boy. How are you feeling? I feel so bad for him. So I just brought the crate up. I made an appointment for him tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm gonna take him back to the vet. Hopefully whatever we do this time will work. And hopefully he won't be sick again. Aww. You want some food? Not you, pig. She's been eating all day. Oh my goodness. He's just looking at the food. You gonna eat it? Come on, just try it. Just a little. Oh my god, it's so sad. Boo Boo, come here. He doesn't even want to eat this. And this is like the good stuff.
Alright, peeps. I'm sorry I wasn't in the vlog much today. I was in the office all day. No excuses though, okay? I'm gonna make some cool content tomorrow. I'm gonna go meet up with this sneaker guys and got some ideas. Remember I talked about the Yeezys, so let me know, my New York peeps, if you're here, tell me in the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna head off to bed and get this thing tomorrow, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace on the streets.